Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about the importance of taking care of your physical and mental well-being. As the saying goes, health is wealth, and this statement is undoubtedly true. It is imperative to prioritize your health above all else, as it is the foundation of a happy and fulfilling life. Body. Taking care of your physical health involves regular exercise, a well-balanced diet, and enough rest. Exercise helps to maintain a healthy weight, and reduces the risk of chronic diseases such as diabetes, heart disease, and stroke. A well-balanced diet is also essential for good health, providing the necessary nutrients, vitamins, and minerals needed for optimal body function. And last but not least, getting enough rest and sleep is equally vital. It helps to reduce stress, improve mood, and boost the immune system. In addition to physical health, mental health is just as important. Taking care of your mental health means prioritizing self-care, managing stress, and seeking help when needed. It is essential to take breaks and do things that you enjoy to avoid burnout. Additionally, managing stress through techniques such as meditation, yoga, or therapy can significantly improve your mental health. Lastly, seeking help when needed is crucial. Mental health problems can be overwhelming, and it is important to reach out for professional help when necessary. Conclusion. In conclusion, health is indeed wealth. It is essential to prioritize our physical and mental well-being, as it is the foundation of a happy and fulfilling life. Regular exercise, a well-balanced diet, enough rest, self-care, stress management, and seeking help when necessary are all crucial aspects of maintaining good health. Let's make a commitment to take care of ourselves, so we can live our best lives. Thanks you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more informative content.